how to get Tycoon Club Monopoly Go reward codes. So here's how you do it. I'm going to explain how they work. So you first need to load up the app itself. Once we have Monopoly Go open, we need to go through all of these pop-ups here. So just give me a second. All right, so what you want to do is click on the three lines in the top right, then we will go into Tycoon Club. Okay, so this is going to take us to the website. And once we are on the Tycoon Club website, you will see the three dots in the top right again, or the three lines. Click on them and click on reward codes. So basically how this works, there is a new Monopoly Go board game, and you can find your reward code exclusively in the new Monopoly Go board game. It tells us right here. So what you want to do is then go here and type out the code which you got if you have purchased the board game. Now people won't share their codes obviously because they've spent money on the board game. So if you want to get reward codes for the Tycoon Club in Monopoly Go, then you have to buy the board game and type out your code right here and then just redeem it by clicking on Go. I hope this helps. Leave a like and a sub, and I'll see you next time.